The era of the brick on your face is officially ending. For the last decade, we've accepted a compromise. If you want high-end virtual reality, you have to strap a heavy, hot plastic box to your forehead. But as we sit here in March 2026, the leaked blueprints from Reality Labs suggest that Mark Zuckerberg is about to pull off the greatest disappearing act in tech history. This isn't just the Quest 4. This is a total fundamental reset of what a wearable computer looks like. While Apple is trying to refine their massive Vision Pro, Meta is doing something much more radical. They are taking the computer out of the headset. Today, we are diving into the most credible leaks of 2026. The Project Puffin schematics, the shift to a waistband compute puck, and the secret OLED micro-displays that are designed to make the Vision Pro look overpriced and obsolete. If you've been waiting for VR to finally feel ready, you need to hear this because the Quest 4 is the moment the metaverse actually becomes wearable. Let's talk about the leak that is currently breaking the internet. The compute puck. For years, the biggest complaint in VR has been weight. No matter how many elite straps you buy, 500 grams on your face eventually hurts. But the Quest 4 leaks show a radical new aero design. By moving the battery and the main processor into a small, palm-sized puck that clips to your waist or sits in your pocket, Meta has managed to cut the headset weight by nearly 50%. We are looking at a device that weighs less than 250 grams. This isn't a headset anymore, it's a pair of oversized goggles. This move is a direct shot at Apple. While Apple tethers you to a battery, Meta is tethering you to the entire computer, allowing the headset itself to be thin, cool, and comfortable enough to wear for an 8-hour workday. But what is inside that puck? This is where things get terrifying for the competition. Meet the Snapdragon XR2, built on the same 3nm architecture as the latest flagship phones. The XR2 is the first mobile chip designed specifically for spatial AI. We're talking about a 50% jump in GPU performance over the Quest 3. But the real story is the NPU, the neural processing unit. The Quest 4 is being built as the ultimate Meta AI wearable. With the XR2, the headset can perform real-time world reconstruction. It doesn't just see your room, it understands it. It knows where your couch is, it recognizes your cat, and it can overlay digital objects with a level of physical accuracy we've never seen in a consumer device. Now let's talk about the eyes. The biggest mistake Meta made with the Quest 3 was cutting eye and face tracking to save money. In 2026, that mistake is being corrected. The Quest 4 features high-speed infrared cameras that track your gaze with millisecond precision. Why does this matter? 2 words, foveated rendering. By only rendering the tiny spot you are actually looking at in full resolution. The Quest 4 can trick your brain into seeing 8K level detail while using significantly less power. It's the cheat code for high-end graphics on a mobile chip. Combined with the new 4K Micro-OLED displays supplied by BOE, we are finally getting retina clarity. The screen door effect is officially dead. You can read small text, you can watch IMAX-sized movies, and for the first time, you can actually work in VR without getting a headache after 20 minutes. And then there's the social presence factor. With face tracking back on the menu, your avatars in Horizon OS will finally look human.